Welcome everyone. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, man. Giving me some trouble. Right. Come on. Mess around. You guys hearing me? Let me know if you guys hearing me. Hello, you guys hearing me? Okay, cool. That is cool. Okay. This StreamYard is so crazy, man. Let me go ahead and connect a different device so I can see who is in the chat before I start to prepare some breakfast. I'm not sure yet what I will be cooking. Mm, Here it go again and again and again. All right, my internet is giving some trouble. Some trouble, guys. Some trouble. Well, I was thinking about to cook some porridge, but this camera is giving me a lot of trouble. Oh my God. Okay, guys, this thing won't allow me to connect the other camera, so let me begin with my porridge. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and peel these, unless you guys see me. Go ahead and peel these ugly bananas. Yeah, man. So yes, guys, I'm making some banana porridge. I haven't made this in a while. And thanks to everyone who is here. I'll be using 3, okay, 6. I'll be using 6 bananas, green banana. Okay, get that out of the way. I will be cutting them up in small pieces. Okay, from there, I'm gonna go into blending. Move this gloves. So I'll be putting my banana in my blender. Okay, put the banana in the blender. Sorry guys, this private jet is gonna make some noise, okay? This is my private jet. I'm gonna add some water inside. Roughly 2 cups. Yeah man, just like that. Now I'm gonna start the engine of my private jet, guys. Sorry for the noise, guys. Then I will be adding some cornmeal. We're adding roughly 3 tablespoons of cornmeal. Then I'll be starting my blender again, guys. Okay, that is enough for the blending. I hope everyone is having a wonderful time in the chat. Thank you so much for being here. So now I have some water on the fire, but my other camera is not working. And this one is hooked up, oh my goodness, tied up. So I have some water on the fire, it's almost boiling. So to the water, I'm gonna add salt to taste, not much. A little bit of salt. Okay. Right. This is not yet ready to go inside, but I want to show you guys this. This is pimento leaf, and I will be adding 3 leaves inside of my pot. I don't know if you guys know about this trick, but this one gave, wow, a super flavor. Pimento leaf. Like you would make a difference. Na, 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 na. Okay. Let me see if I can adjust this camera. All right, let me adjust this camera. adjust this thing. Let me see if I can. Okay, guys, let me see how this look. Let me see how this trick look. Let me see how this trick look. Let me see how this trick looking. Camera. Okay. So inside my pot, I have the pimento leaf and salt to taste. So I will be removing these pimento leaves. Then I will be adding my banana and my cornmeal that I have blended. And I will continue to stir until it comes to a soft boil. That way it will prevent all the lumps. Let me check if nothing leaves inside. Ah, I still have some left in the blender, man. Okay, it's getting thick, guys. And this one you don't want to cover because it will make it boil over, and you don't want that to happen. Yeah, man. So this will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes once it comes to a perfect boil. Yeah, man, smelling real good, guys. So in the meanwhile, guys, I will be mixing out some coconut milk. The thing I don't have any fresh coconut, so I'll be using the packed coconut today. And I won't be using all of it. Let me turn this down. I will be using only half. So the coconut milk now, guys, is another tricky one. You have to mix this one with some cold water first. I will be using a fork. Yeah, man. So I'll be using a fork to mix this one out. So this porridge is banana and cornmeal. Yeah, man. Lovely one. So I will be going in directly with my coconut milk, a little at a time. I will be mixing. Yeah, man. There's still some lumps inside. So let me go ahead and mix it out. And I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for always supporting me. All right. The thing, you can make your porridge to your own consistency. You can make it thick if you like it, and you can make it a little bit runny if you like it that way. But for me, I like it in between. Huh? Yeah, man. All right. So now, guys, I'll be adding some spice to this thing. Okay. Let me dig for my spices. So many spices here. Okay. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, see? Bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. I'll be adding some vanilla essence. Be using roughly 2 teaspoons. I love the flavor of vanilla. Yeah, man. A lot of people don't add salt in their porridge, but actually the salt, it brings out the flavor of the other ingredients. So it's okay to put a little bit of salt. So now I'll be putting in some cinnamon powder. Yeah, man. This one you don't want to use too much because it can make your porridge a bit bitter, you know. And if you're making this for your kids, I guarantee you that you don't want to make it bitter. And the thing about this porridge, anyone can have it, you know. It doesn't matter the age group. Okay, now guys, I'll be putting in some grated nutmeg inside. I'm so sorry for the lighting and my video quality, but we just have to do what we got to do. Yeah, man. All right, that's it for the nutmeg. This one is also a trouble one, you know. The nutmeg, you don't want to add too much also. Too much will make it bitter. Yeah, man, this is nice one. This is actually ready already, man. Okay. Some people use sugar, but I don't like to use sugar. But if in the case that you're using both sugar and milk, you will want to add your sugar first. Worst if you're using brown sugar, you know. Okay, so now guys, I will be going in with some evaporated milk. Not much, just to give it a little more cream to it. Yeah, man. This is beautiful, guys. If you have all spices, you can add all spices. That's also a perfect ingredient for your porridge. But today I won't be adding any. Okay, guys, it's time to sweeten this. It's time to sweeten this, guys. And the thing at this stage, you really want it to be turned down because you don't want the bottom to burn. So now, guys, I'll be adding my condensed milk, and this again, it's all based on your tasting, how sweet you like your food. Remember, guys, there is no set way of cooking, you know. There is no one way of cooking. The way you cook, somebody else gonna cook different from you, so that isn't a problem. That's why we have so many chefs in the world, you know? So many different cuisine. Let me add a little bit more milk in this, and then I will be tasting it. Okay, I'll be tasting this one. And see, guys, it's not too thick. It's not too thick. It's perfect. But as I said before, if you like your porridge thick, then go ahead and do so. Yeah, man, this one is super hot, guys. So you don't want to go directly in your mouth like that, you know? You want to make, yeah, man, some cool breeze on it. And actually can take a little bit more milk. So let me add some more milk to this. Sorry, guys, I'm not paying attention to the chat. Sorry a lot. Sorry. I hope you're meeting some new friends there. Okay, now, guys, in my beautiful country, the way majority of us enjoy this in Jamaica is with some water crackers or with some bread, the bread of your choice. Some people like the hard dough bread, some like the sliced bread. Some people go for the wheat bread. Okay. Okay, guys, this one is ready. See, this is a quick one, guys. This is a quick one. Okay. I know, I can be anything I wanna be. Oh yeah. All right. guys. So let me go ahead and yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm making a mess of the bowl, though, guys. Making a mess of the bowl. The bowl. So I will be cleaning it afterwards. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. What you can do, you can go ahead and put a little bit more cinnamon on top. Yeah, man. It's like that. Okay, guys. And I have my bread here. Yeah, man. My sliced bread. It's like this. Yes, man. And this one, you eat it with a spoon, not a fork, guys. Yeah, man. Thank you guys so much for coming today. I appreciate you a lot. Yeah, man. Let me check this other device to see if I can pronounce some names. Okay, I see Jaden here. Thank you so much. Active Jopsy, Romeo RV, Lisa D Show. Thank you. Sashibu Diva. I see here Madame Soul Food. Sorry for that. Madame Soul Food. Thank you so much for coming here today. Natural Jamaican Vegan. Thank you. Abena and Family Kitchen. Thank you. I see Teflon down here. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Sister J. See Corey Goodas. See Willow's Kitchen. Thank you so much. Spotless Calm. Shen Official. Sophian, thank you so much. Gray Brown, appreciate. Flossy Cooking and Vlogs. Cooking with Nicole, thank you. Mommy and Deck, thanks so much. Cooking with Miss Brown, thank you. I really don't want to miss no one. Mariama, thank you for coming. Appreciate. Actually, guys, this was just a quick one, you know. Marley Clark, thank you. I see all things Anna, Appreciate Amaka. Thank you, Amaka. Oh, plenty people, huh? Miss Brooks, thanks. This is the Shian family. Shian and family. Thank you. My acquisitions. Garden and kitchen, thanks. I'm not so good with all these fancy names, you know? Yeah, man. But I want you guys to know that I really appreciate you. And I'm here working on some better quality videos. I have a whole lot of recipes that I want to share with you guys. Nothing like what I just did, but you know, at times I'm home and I really miss you guys, you know. So this is the first step, you know, to the live cooking. So guys, I will be ending this live now. Yeah, man. And I want to say a big thank you for all the support. And I will see you guys around. So guys, bye bye.